As requested, I'm turning this into an instructional video on how to build the bent stick deadfall trap. And you start with 3 pieces. And there's 2 pieces to the leg that holds the trap up. And they notch together, really simple. See, there's a notch on one board and the bottom board just hooks onto it. And you put both pieces together just like that. And that makes a leg that won't collapse. Then the trigger stick is really simple to make. It just has a single notch in it, and you hook it onto the bottom of those 2 sticks just like that, and it holds them together until the trigger stick is released.
Just to give you an idea of the size of this stone, you can see it's a good 8 inches thick, almost 3 feet tall, and over 2 feet wide at the base. See, got a bevel here at the top, bevel right there. You got a notch that's angled out so that it creates a good fulcrum point. And your trigger stick is notched out right there. See, a notch right there where they catch. This stone right here is exerting about 90 pounds of force onto this stick right here, which is diverted directly to this fulcrum point. And there's only about 2 ounces of pressure here at the release point. So that's why I say you have a high pressure point here and a low pressure point right here. You know, 90 pounds, about 2 ounces.
Trap is easy to build and simple to put together. And the best thing about it is it's incredibly effective. And it's a really sensitive trap, and when it falls apart, it works with a lightning fast action, which is what you need for a trap. And here you have a few moments to study the parts in the way they're cut and the way they're put together. You know, you can see that it's just really simple to cut these out and put them together. I use firewood, just pieces of split firewood. There's 2 notches and 2 bevels on the leg. That's all you gotta remember. See a notch in the side? That's the place where you hook the 2 pieces of wood together. And that's a very important notch right there. But if you get that right, the trap works incredibly effectively. And if you try it, you'll see how ingenious of a building it really